In this quick video, I will show you how to stake BISWAP or BSW step by step. Now, the first step is to go to biswap.org and click Connect Wallet. Now, there are a lot of wallets here and you just need to choose one, and I'm gonna choose MetaMask. Click Next here and then connect. Now, once you have connected your MetaMask wallet, you can now go to Earn and go to Multi-Reward Pool. And in multi-reward pool, you can see here the annual percentage yield, which is 1646.86%, and we have here the total active buy swap and the total users rewards. And also you can see here the daily distribution and your rewards in buy swap token, RAP PNB, or and BUSD. Now let's go to Stake BSW here. Click approve and the confirmation from MetaMask will pop up here. You can see here your transaction fee and the equivalent amount of BNB. But I don't have enough BNB in my account to pay for the transaction fees, so I'm gonna reject. this. Once you have approved, you will be able to see your active buy swap token here and the amount of buy swap you have staked. Now, after you approve, you can now stake your buy swap token, and there's no minimum amount, and you can choose any amount you want. Just make sure that you have enough BNB token in your MetaMask wallet because you're going to use it for the transactions. And now, once you have staked your buy swap token, you can now go here. And if you want, you can estimate the payment amount according to your active buy swap token stake in the pool. And for example, I have staked 50 buy swap token. And you can see here the estimated payment amount per day, per month, and per quarter. And also you can see here the estimated payment amount in different tokens per day, per month, and per quarter. And also we have here the total in USD. Now let's click close here. And we're done. If you have any questions about how to stake BISWAP or BSW, leave a comment below.